At the dawn of the day, this massive facility bursts into life, receiving raw materials to produce essential hygiene products. Inside this modern facility, the process begins. Every raw material is precisely weighed. Advanced systems guarantee.
This sample meets our viscosity standards.
Excellent. Let's proceed with the batch.
The automated feeder delivers the abrasive. It is mixed under a pure vacuum. To ensure a flawless texture, trapped air must be removed. High vacuum mixers create a perfect, uniform paste. Precision dosing adds exact components. Every flavor and element is perfectly measured. High-speed homogenization creates a flawless, uniform paste. Moving at high pressure, the mixture achieves perfect consistency. This ensures the exact same quality in every tube. Quality checks guarantee batch consistency. Every sample is tested for viscosity and pH, meeting the highest standards of safety and care. Inside this facility, automation reigns. Hundreds of tubes are processed every minute. Each nozzle dispenses the precise amount. Our precise automated system ensures a perfect seal on every tube. High-speed printers instantly apply critical batch and expiration data. Efficiency in motion, delivering daily essential care to millions around the globe. Ready for the final journey.